Hey, what is up, guys? So today I'm back with the next video, and today I want to talk about the iPhone 12 mini. So there's a big difference out there. I know a lot of you guys might not be taking note that there's actually a big difference. So here's a big difference. So it will charge slower than the iPhone 12 and the iPhone Pro. It will be charging at 12 watts instead of 15 watts. That's over the Magsafe. If you're wondering what is Magsafe, Magsafe is their new wireless feature that you can charge your phone wirelessly. So you basically have two magnets, one is in the phone and one is on the wireless charger, and it just snaps in place and charge your phone wirelessly. But as I said, the 12 mini will charge slower than the iPhone 12. But you guys might be wondering how slower. Should I just get the iPhone 12 since it's gonna charge slower? In my opinion, no. If you're going for size, just get the mini and done, because it is not much of a big difference, because it will be charging faster than the older charger, which is 7.5 watts. So you will definitely not be missing much. It would still be a fast charge for you, because 7.5 is like almost half of 12, right? Or a little bit over half of 12. So you're not missing out much. You probably you're still getting like a 40% increase in charging compared to the older wireless charger. So if I were you, I would still get this phone. This phone will be available on November 6th for pre-order, so it is right around the corner, and I just wanted to put this out so you guys can know exactly if you should get the phone or you shouldn't get the phone. As I said, this is not really a big deal, but you guys need to know that there's a difference. But otherwise, the only difference there is just sizes. You still get the Apple A14 Bionic chip. You get a dual camera system. It supports 5G, and it is all packed in just a smaller body at 5.4-inch screen, which is small for some people, but some people it will be okay. Some people will even be even big still for them. I'm pretty sure people are going to complain and say, yes, this phone is still big, it is still huge, I want like a 4.3-inch screen display. So as I said, you can't really please people no matter what you do. But a lot of people are saying that this iPhone, the size for this iPhone is what they've been waiting for over the past couple of years. So let's see how the community will react to it. Will they like it? Is there like an actual hidden difference? Like, is the mini less durable than the 12 or the Pro? The mini is not really out as yet. There was a video that leaked last week, which was later on deleted. It was uploaded. I'm not sure if it was uploaded by mistake or what, but people are like saying that it is really small and all those stuff. So the size is gonna be smaller than the 12, obviously, because it is the mini. But as I'm saying, like, will you be missing out on like durability? Will this phone be easier to crack, or will it be even stronger because it's more compact? I'm not sure if they like shrink the, what did they like miss out on. Like, I think that should be a good video, like what did they take out of it to get it down to that size. Is like the 12 just have a lot of room in there because they don't need that much room, or did they actually shrink the chip, the cameras on the circuit board in there to get it smaller? What did they do to actually get it to that size? So those are some things to consider, but I'm pretty sure we won't know what is actually going on in the phone until it comes out. But as I said, in this video I just want to talk about the charging difference. And I'm wondering, you guys might be wondering, why did they have to go for a slower charger with less wattage? I'm guessing because of heat. Because everything is so compact, I'm pretty sure the ventilation might not be as good as the 12. So I'm guessing it's because of overeating. They realized that, hey, we have to take off 3 watts. So what that shows also is that maybe iPhone is literally maxing out how much watts they could like use to power this phone, to charge this phone. So because it had to take off 3 watts. 3 watts is not a much, but it's definitely much to cause the phone to maybe overheat or maybe even explode in your hand while it's on the charge. So I'm guessing because of safety issues, they had to drop the wattage on the mini. So hopefully that works out how they expect it. So far we haven't really heard about any of the new iPhone 12s getting explode and all those stuff, but the Pro Max is left to come out and the 12 mini is left to come out. So let's see how good they work, especially the 12 mini, because it's the first time Apple is actually going small on a newer model. So that should be interesting. As I said, I want to see like what are they missing out on? What did they sacrifice? Did they sacrifice anything, or did is there just a lot of room in the 12 and the 12 Pro? Because they're using the same chip. I'm guessing the same motherboard. I'm not sure. I can't swear if it says the same motherboard and same size. Is there more room in the 12 than the 12 mini? I'm not sure. I'm pretty sure we have to watch like Jerry Rig Everything or a YouTube channel that tears down iPhone to see what it is. But that's just the tiny difference. I'm pretty much sure not many people will like be fussy about this. Not many people will know. Um, Hopefully you guys don't use um the next question is, can you like mistake this like to what if like you plug in your 15 watt instead of a 12 watt, or is it just automatically like, is there like something to just limit it right away? I'm guessing that there should be, yes, I think there's a limit that is in the phone that it can't go over 12 watts. So I'm pretty sure they work that out, because I'm pretty sure they will know that maybe you mistake his wireless charger for yours and you just plug it in and boom. So I'm pretty sure Apple think about that, so hopefully that won't cause any problem also. But as I said, 12 watts versus 15 watts is not really much of a difference. You'll still be getting fast charging, and it might be even charging at the same because it is smaller. Who knows? But as I said, I'm pretty sure they took it down a bit because of heat and all those stuff and safety reasons. So I'm pretty sure Apple did the right thing there. But until then, until the iPhone 12 mini is out, this is what I have to say. Hopefully everything goes as well. I'm pretty sure you guys are excited for Magsafe. Will it work? Will it work as expected? Let's see. But iPhone is always known to always work, unlike Samsung, who came out with a Note. I think it was a Note 8, and it was like a bomb basically because it was exploding everywhere. So I'm pretty sure iPhone is know what it's doing. They never really fail over the years when they're releasing their new iPhones. So there wasn't like an iPhone that failed, like how the Note 8 failed. But nobody's perfect. It can happen and it might happen. But that's what I have to say for this video, guys. Let me know what are your thoughts. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.